So guys, I'm running Bitcoin node in Umbrel OS. I just updated it to version 0.54, and actually I have 8 gigabytes of RAM with Odroid M1, Raspberry Pi, good alternative, and I normally use 6 gigabytes of RAM. With all these apps installed, Bitcoin node, I could Bitfeed, I could actually uninstall, and Noster Relay I'm not using, and I haven't set it up the Bitcoin BTC base server, and Lighting also I haven't set up Lighting node, and Bitcoin node is running, but basically it shows low RAM. So if you have 4 gigabytes of RAM, I wouldn't update to 0.5.4 Umbrel OS version just in case, just yet. I installed it in Umbrel OS over Umbrel Mate. Now I try to flash the disk again and install Ubuntu Mate, sorry. So I installed it in Ubuntu Mate, and then I installed Umbrel OS. Now I want to try Ubuntu Server, flash a disk Ubuntu Server, and then install Umbrel OS again and see if it's better. As I have maximum 8 gigabytes of RAM. I don't think Umbrel did it on purpose so they can sell more of their own software, or maybe they are already thinking that everybody has 16 gigabyte RAM, like their new hardware they are offering, the Umbrel Home. So I wouldn't update for sure if you have only 4 gigabyte RAM or even 2, but for sure not if you have 4, but with 8 I would also think if the update makes sense, because at the end, yes, I could take away mempool, I don't care, system, Bitfeed I could take away, and then should be okay already. Chat I'm also not really using, but the other ones are using little RAM. So yeah, the only difference actually is that if you go to App Store, it's nice, discover, yeah, but you can also avoid it, and then it's more stable. Okay, so be careful running your Bitcoin node. Maybe don't update to the new version of 0.5.4, but keep the 0.5.3. Yeah, okay, I hope it helps somebody, and see you soon.